Hello everyone. This is a new unboxing video. Let's check it out. So guys, I just received this package from a company called Tonor, and they made microphones, XLR condenser microphone TC20 plus the kit, the stand mic and another stuff. So let's check it out together. Okay, so this is Tonor or Tonor. The logo looks cool. It's like a fish or a baleine or what's called. And it sends here 2 years warranty. 2 years warranty. Stand 2 years warranty. I don't know if the camera can see that. And it's TC20 SLR condenser microphone plus the kit. It says made in China. It's also they provide their support here. Support mail, microphone new. So here's the characteristic of the mic: condenser microphone, boom arm set, shock mount and pop filter. Okay, so let's see what's inside this box. Okay, so you receive this, the manual. This is the instruction manual. By a company called Tonor. How to connect, how to set up, and you also get 2 years warranty card here. Nothing bad with that. Two years warranty card. For any product related issue, contact us support at tonormic.com, and the website company is www.tonormic.com. Pretty cool stuff. Your key is under your key to 100% protection. So guys, if you order this one, if you order this kit, you need to save this card. It's 2 years guarantee which your company provide. Wow, that's not. This is cost like about $60. This kit and the microphone, condenser microphone, XLR microphone, and it's actually from the package. And I didn't check yet on the product, but everything seems quality till now. So okay, this is the boomer. This is the mic stand. Stayed spring loaded, so cautions won't open in your face, I guess. Looks quality, looks heavy actually. Let's open this up. Stick with this. Okay, so this is the boomer with. Wow, it's actually hard. It's actually stand good. 3 arms here. 3 arms here. This will make it more stable when you hold the microphone. Pretty good. Seems quality actually. I'm shocked. Pretty good. Okay, go. Oops. You see how this open your face? So you should So be careful there. Anyways, so and then we got this one. This attached to the table. Pretty cool stuff. I actually read about it, and they updated their version of the boomer, and it's actually made this shape here so you can hold your headset for the thing there. So this is pretty smart move here to update the version of the boomer. Pretty cool stuff. Everything till now seems really quality, and also it comes with a shock mount. Pretty cool stuff. Quality. Everything seems good. And let's see here what we get. And then the mic itself. Even this plastic seems quality. Good job, Tonor. The mic actually looks heavy. So seems quality. Let's compare it with. I have actually this mic. This is a Scarlett microphone. As you see there, this is Scarlett microphone here, and because I bought it all set up with a microphone and stand, Tonor is more heavier than Scarlett. So expecting, yeah. So more surprises here on the box. When you lift this up, you get the XLR cable. XLR cable here, and you get the filter here, which seems also quality here, and also you get this filter. You put it on the microphone. And already did I put the microphone? You can put it here. Use it for the filter here, and you get this attachments here, 3 says Tonor on it as well. So this ones you get 3 actually. This is 1, 2, 3. Oh, you get 4 actually. 2, 3 and 4 to attach the XLR cable to the boomer. So this is all. Let's set it up, guys. Let's start with the microphone and the shocker mount. Start with this. Very good. Seems quality. Everything. I'm actually shocked. All this setup costs like 60 bucks for all this setup. Good job, Tonor. Okay, we got this one. Or yeah, we got this one. So this is gonna go there. So this is need to turn here. So it's gonna be here. I can put this filter here, and also we need to do some setups here on the table here. Okay, So this is what's inside the box, guys. So I'm actually shocked by the quality from Tonor here. For 60 bucks you can get all this stuff, and you can start your recording or gaming or podcasting or what you do. I actually bought this setup because I'm planning to do podcasts. I have already in Scarlett studio like all the setup, but I want an additional microphone, so I bought this. I'm actually really surprised by the quality that Tonor offer here. And let's set her up and see how it looks. So guys, as you see here, I'm done with setup, the microphone, the Tonor T20 here. I actually check here the setup here. I didn't put the pop filter there. I don't think it's necessary for now, but I will also let you know the difference between this Tonor T20 microphone and the Scarlett setup studio with the interface as well. But I'm gonna test the two microphones. I actually tested, and this microphone is not bad at all for that $60 price with all the kit. So let's do a quick test here for both microphones, and you will probably notice the difference. There's not a big difference between the two sounds. I'm not gonna put any effects, anything, but let's start to test the both microphone here in GarageBand. And let's try with the first. Let's try with the Tonor, and you will guys probably notice the difference here between the two microphones there. Okay, let me do a quick setup here and we're gonna start. Okay guys, so this is the test of the TC20 Tonor here, Tonor TC20. Let me know what you think about the sounds here. I adjust little the sound so it don't go too high. Let me know what you think about the TC20 microphone and how it sounds like. Okay guys, so now it's a test for the Scarlett microphone here. Let me know what you think, which one is the best sounds here. It's also I had this mic for a while now. I don't know if this is like will make difference here, since both microphones one is new and one is used for a while now. But let me know what you think about the sound here. So guys, I'm back to the microphone of my camera here, and as you see, the TC20 is a little bit harsh, but it's not that bad. It's really good for gaming, for podcast, for especially when this $60 for the whole kit. This is actually I give it a review here after all the kit and all the quality as I see from the kit and from the microphone. I give it let's see 7 till 10 for that budget. It's good, really great for start, really good budget microphone. 60 bucks here for a whole kit, so you can start your career on gaming or podcasting or video on YouTube and stuff like that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm also gonna link everything below where I bought from, and also from the Amazon of course, and I'm gonna link everything that I have here on the link below. So thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.